Here's how to recover your Yahoo account without the phone number or email. Now open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Now from here, we're going to go to yahoo.com and hit go. Now your first option is to tap on the sign in button at the very top right. And you've probably already tried to sign in, but as soon as you go to sign in, it is going to ask you for, let's say, use another account here. It's going to ask you for your username, email, or mobile number. Now, the first thing that you can do is just type in your username, which is your Yahoo account or your username. So I can type it in here. And once I've done that, I can hit next. Now on here, I have a couple different options. Let's try signing in another way instead of using the fingerprint or Face ID. It will ask you for the password, but let's say you don't know that password. You have one option to tap on Forgot Password here, but it will ask you essentially to send a code to that email address, the backup email, or text you at the phone number linked to your account. But let's say you don't have access to those or you never set those up. You can still recover your account just by tapping on Select Another option at the very bottom. Now, the really nice thing with Yahoo is that there is an option that says Call Premium Customer Service. I can just tap on that and it will give me a phone number 800-741-7610 and I can just enter in that PIN code and it will allow me to connect with somebody that will help to essentially recover my account for me. However, if you don't want to do this, you have another option. You can also go to Yahoo Customer Support here. So you can type in Yahoo Support Chat or Customer Support and go to Yahoo Help. Now from here, all you need to do is scroll down and you're going to tap on Fix Problems Signing into your Yahoo account. After you've done that, you'll be able to see, again, you can call this phone number to get support, but you can also scroll down. Under Was this article helpful? You can tap on No, and then you can just tap on Other. Now, all you need to do in here is say something like, I forgot my password and don't have my email or phone number. Now, basically just hitting the send feedback, it will send it directly into Yahoo, essentially helping you to recover your account even if you don't have access to those recovery methods.